Living in an expensive city can feel like a constant battle with your wallet, but today, we're going to change that. I'll share my top tips and tricks for living frugally in a city where prices are sky high. Let's dive in and start saving. 1. Embrace public transportation. First up, skip the car payments, gas, and parking costs by embracing public transportation. Buses, trains, and subways can save you a ton of money and often get you to your destination faster than driving. Second, meal prep and cook at home. Eating out adds up fast in big cities. By meal prepping and cooking at home, you'll save hundreds each month. Not only is it cheaper, but you can also make healthier choices. 3. Find free events and activities. Cities are packed with free events. Think concerts in the park, museum free days, and open-air markets. A little research can turn up tons of budget-friendly fun. 4. Buy secondhand. Buying secondhand is an easy way to find quality clothes, furniture, and electronics without paying top dollar. Check out thrift stores, online marketplaces, and neighborhood swap events. 5. Opt for a roommate. Finding a roommate is one of the best ways to save on rent, which is often the biggest expense in a city. Plus, you'll get to split bills and utilities too. 6. Take advantage of local discounts. Many cities offer resident discounts for local attractions and services. From museums to gyms and even some restaurants, just ask if there's a local rate. 7. Use a budgeting app. Track your spending with a budgeting app that sends you reminders and helps you stay on top of your money. In a big city, small expenses can sneak up on you fast. 8. Cut unnecessary subscriptions. Review your subscriptions regularly. Do you really need all those streaming services or premium memberships? Cancel anything you're not using enough to justify the cost. 9. Embrace minimalist living. Living with less can actually be freeing, especially in a tight city apartment. Try to focus on quality over quantity, buy what you need, and let go of the rest. 10. Make the most of local libraries. Libraries in big cities often have so much more than books. They offer free workshops, movie rentals, and even streaming services. And of course, it's all free. Living frugally in an expensive city is totally doable. With a few smart strategies, you can save money and enjoy city life to the fullest. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your favorite frugal living tip for the city.